Welcome to an Intershop tutorial about the Catalog View feature for the Intershop Commerce Management. The Catalog View feature is the best way to configure different storefronts for different customer groups. Without developing effort, you can make dedicated catalogs, products and services visible and available for every customer. How you can configure and integrate this feature into your online shop, I will show you in this tutorial. To start, let's define what catalog views are. Catalog views allow to control the visibility of content on a customer segment-specific level. By default, all product catalogs defined or available within a channel are visible to all customers of this channel. Using catalog views makes it possible to personalize product catalogs depending on the individual needs of a customer segment, or even to hide entire product catalogs from a selected group. The standard catalog view configuration is done in 4 steps. First, create a new catalog view. Then, select all including catalogs or subcategories and services. Optionally, you can hide products, their categories or services in the Exclusions tab to use the full range of feature possibilities. In the last step, assign one or more target groups consisting of customers or customer segments. Let's go to our scenario now and take a look at how this feature is working. We want to offer products with a reduced price for our registered students. We entice them with a reduced game console and hope that they will fill their basket with more products afterwards. For this, we prepared a customer segment called Students, edited the price lists of our products, and added some of our previously validated students' accounts. To start, go to Catalogs, Catalog Views in your channel back office. It is recommended to define different catalog views for different customer segments. We have created 3 views before because every shop user gets a personalized storefront view. Click New to add a catalog view for our students. Enter a name and a description. It is possible to have catalog views published at regular intervals using a scheduled job to automate this process. The page cache is invalidated automatically as soon as a catalog view is set online or published. Click Apply and switch to the tab Catalogs. When starting catalog view definition, the catalog view excludes everything by default. Your task is to add catalogs that are to be included. To view and include a subcategory or only products of a certain catalog, open it and select them. In general, a disabled checkbox and the icon indicates an inclusion on a lower level. For our scenario, select all catalogs, especially the Student Special. With one exception, we only want to enable gift cards and certificates and top sellers from the Specials catalog. To include service or product types, select them in the Shared Classification Catalogs section. For each change, you have to click Apply. Then switch to the tab Exclusions. Here you can exclude products or categories from the previously selected catalogs. We want to hide some gift cards and the tablets category from our students. At first, we exclude the availability of the tablets subcategory in the computer catalog. And after that, some of the gift cards. Please note, a disabled checkbox here means an exclusion on a higher level. A disabled checkbox and the icon, an exclusion on a lower level. The exclusion of products may have an effect on service types. Now, switch to the tab Target Group and assign our customer segment Students. A single customer segment can be assigned to multiple catalog views in parallel. If a customer segment is not assigned to any view, it has no catalog visibility restrictions. In contrast, you have the possibility to assign multiple customer segments to one catalog view. After configuration, go back to General to publish our newly created catalog view. For a catalog view to be applied, it needs to be set online first. Later on, catalog views must be published whenever new categories are included or excluded, or whenever the product repository is updated. A catalog view can be published together or each one individually in the overview. After that, let's check the result at our intranet storefront. You see the unregistered customer view now. To understand the difference, log on as a regular customer, for example as Charles. Charles has the possibility to buy all gift cards and any other product but the Student Special. Let's take a look at Ina's storefront now. Oh, she has a personalized banner waiting for her. As we have defined before, Ina can't select the tablets from the computers, and the categories Hot Deals and New Products from the Specials, as well as the high-priced gift cards. But the dedicated catalog concerning special products and prices is shown up. The benefit for Ina as a student now is that she can buy the game console for a much lower price as Charles can. Let's hope she will share this information with her friends. Please note, in case catalog views definition are in conflict, the settings for including categories take precedence over the settings for excluding categories. For example, let's assume that a customer segment is assigned to two catalog views, A and B. Catalog view A includes the category gift cards, while catalog view B excludes this. In this case, the category in question will be visible to every customer segment assigned to these catalog views. And now you can define as many catalog views as you want to. For more information, please take a look into our knowledge base or contact our support team. Thank you for watching and see you in our next tutorial.